Hello friends, let me talk about attention deficit hyperactivity disorder today. What is ADHD? If you go to doctor with a hyperactive child, with an attention deficit child, then the doctor will label this, and there are many medicines that are given to these children. Why do you think they are given medicine? Why can't they be just given attention and given some physical activities? Friends, we live in a big city, no doubt. Today, cities have expanded, but are there any place for children to play? We lock them in four walls of the house and ask them to sit. We give them TV, tab, and other gadgets and tell them to look at that once in a while and to while away their time. But what happens to their physical energy? Nobody understands this. People are old today. Parents have their children in their late 30s. They've already exhausted their energies and they cannot think that a child needs to be exposed or needs to just let out their energy. When we were young, we just moved out, in and out, and nobody had any problems because inside house there were very few things and it hardly mattered. They were not expensive things. But today, a child cannot run around in the house. He cannot go in and out because the house gets dirty, nobody's there to clean. There are expensive things and he cannot play around those things, and there's no place for him or her. So in this given situation, and added to this is the competition where both parents work and independence is what is required, and most of us live in nuclear families. There's hardly any attention given to the child. If there are also, many times we don't allow them to mingle, to play with others, to talk to others. There are our own insecurities. Isn't it sad, friends? How do you overcome this situation and help ADHD patients or children with such disorders? First thing is mother's attention, parents' attention towards the child is very important. Parents, along with the mother's attention, a little more is always required according to me. Not necessarily that it should be with everyone where the mother is busy more than the father, then father can give that attention. The motherly care is what I'm talking here. Tap the child, touch the child, hold, hug. These are very important, not purposely. The touch should actually share or spread the love that you feel towards the child. And engage the child in physical activities. Go with the child, run around. Yes, you may feel tired, you have no time. And we have mates or take care of these children where they again put them in four walls with little space to move around. So if you want to save time running around to the hospitals and behind the child when the child makes mistakes, it is better to spend good time when the child is healthy and it requires your attention. Friends, there are many situations when we attend to child only when it cries. So the child thinks that it should cry to get its dear one's attention, parents' attention. If you could give that attention when the child is laughing, the child would be a laughing child. So please think and help yourself before something goes beyond our hand. I know we are all working people today with little time, but whenever you get little time, prioritize and give attention to your child, hold your child, be next to your child, engage in your child's activities, and you can see a lot of changes in your child's growth. If you have liked this channel, please subscribe. I am Dr. Lata, a counselor and a professor. Thank you.